Welcome back to Placements Nepal. If you are passionate about web development and looking for incredible job opportunity, you have come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest job updates. Now let's dive into the exciting opportunity. Today we have an incredible opportunity from Lennox Software Private Limited, a leading web solution and analytics company. They are on the lookout for a talented ReactJS development intern to join their dynamic team. As a ReactJS development intern at Lennox Software, here's what you will be doing. Collaborate with their experienced development team to create and maintain high-quality ReactJS applications. Assist in designing user interfaces that are responsive, intuitive, and visually appealing. Write clean, efficient, and maintainable code following best practices and coding standards. Conduct thorough testing and debugging to ensure seamless functionality across different browsers and devices. Participate in code reviews to improve code quality and ensure adherence to specifications. Stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements. In React.js and front-end development, and most importantly, contribute your innovative ideas and solutions to enhance the overall user experience of their applications. Now let's talk about the requirements to become a part of this fantastic opportunity. You will need skills in HTML, JavaScript, and of course React.js. The good news is you can earn certification in these skills through this internship. Don't forget about the perks. Upon successful completion, you will receive a valuable certificate. Plus, they are offering 7,000 per month stipend for 6 months. You can apply to this internship. So if you are in final year and you want some internship and experiences, then you can apply this. Or if you are graduated and you want to have some experience in front end, then also you can apply to this. No experience is needed. Just you should have some skill set that is required for front-end development. So the last date to apply to this job is 22nd September 2023. So don't do any delay. Apply now. So how can you apply to this job? Click on the link that I provided in the description of this video. After clicking on this, you will come to this interface, and from here you have to directly click on this apply button. So it will ask you a couple of questions and your personal details. So if you have made a profile in Internshala, then it will be a one click. After clicking, your application will be submitted. Otherwise, you have to fill some details and then the application will get submitted. So if you are ready to embark on an immersive learning experience and take your React.js skills to the next level, don't miss this chance with Lennox Software Private Limited and apply now. That's a wrap for today's job spotlight. If you found this opportunity exciting, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Placements Nepal for more incredible job updates. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your applications.